Good day, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Myra Khan. Welcome, everybody. Welcome here to my home in Fransfontein at my village where nature wakes us up before the alarm clock does, you guys. Seriously, we're woken up every morning by our rooster. Yeah, that is, then you are in the village when that happens, isn't it? So I'm excited to share an updated garden tour of you guys. Yeah, so just come along and see what I have in my garden. So for the new people that are coming for the first time on my channel, welcome back. I hope you like what you see here and that you'll stay on. For the old folk, please comment and like the videos. Thank you for being here, everybody. And I just wanted to say that the returning subscribers all know that I started my garden inspired by my own health journey. I am diabetic, high blood pressure in their mid or close to their 50s. I'm actually turning 50 next year. So the health is the only thing we got, and we need to take care of our health. So yeah, come along and enjoy with me as I'm showing you around the garden. I hope you'll have much fun as I did, and I love to hang out in my garden. Yes, my cat Orlando is so oblivious to the incoming water. My husband just opened the hose on him. I was just lying and basking in the sun, and the next moment the water just came on his tail and he flew up in the sky. And actually, we missed to record that. So, before I even start, you guys, look at this. Every single morning, our garden turns into a bird restaurant. Yes, you can listen to the birds. We've counted 5 different species feasting on our ripe fig trees, you guys. And I don't know if I will get to see a fig, but it was so nice. It was succulent, it was ripe, and we had a feast as well. But it was just a race against time, as these birds, these 50 or 60, was in the garden this time, and me and my husband, we decided to do a little recording for you guys so you can also have a share and listen to the sounds and everything in the garden of us. My husband absolutely refuses to put up a scarecrow, and honestly, we love it. The sounds, the movement, the life, it's therapy, you guys. I'm telling you, both of us, me and my husband, we love birds, and yeah, we are enjoying this moment, or the moments, especially in the morning and late afternoons as the birds were visiting our garden.
This is the Black Sea.
So beautiful.
With the red eyes.
You feel really blessed, no?
Look, look here down.
These are my garden family members, you guys. Of course, no garden tour is complete without the crew. This is my cat Orlando. I also have a gray one called Kobe, and I have 2 dogs, Brownie and Tiger. They absolutely live for the garden time. This is their playground, their peace and joy. So yeah, they love it out here in the sun, you guys. They enjoy themselves in the hot sun.
Atitulu, you are playing? Huh? Tell me. What are you doing?
This butterfly right here is Imani Hadia, you guys. She's my granddaughter, our granddaughter, and she loves butterflies and ladybugs. And every time she saw one, she would be like, "Mama, Mama, Papa, Papa, come and see the butterfly." She doesn't call us Opa or Oma. She likes butterflies. So here we took some pictures and we're just inserting them for you guys. It's wonderful this time of the year when the garden, some of the flowers are in bloom and it's attracting a lot of bees and butterflies, and you get the weirdest faces. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy. If you see this in your gardens, or tell me if you have this type of butterflies in your garden as well.
Yeah, in the morning.
My goodness, here we are in the morning. Yeah, so you guys, let me update you on our main fruit trees here. Let me show you this is the heart of our garden. We love sitting under these trees, you guys. Here we have the pomegranate tree. It's said to be the nature's antioxidant. It's great for heart health and inflammation, everything that is to do with blood flow, etc. So they are not ripe or ready as yet, but they have put on not so much in number, but yeah, I think we'll have to enjoy a good harvest. And if these are done, I'll have to go to my mom. She has a mature tree that is having has put on a lot of food. So these are our lemon trees, amazing for immunity, digestion, detoxing, and perfect for teas in our dry climate. I always gravitate towards a nice lemonade, or just lemon in lukewarm water in the morning, first thing in the morning, a nicely squeezed lemon drink, or just as a lemonade, as a refreshing lemonade in these hot summers of ours. For the kids, there's nothing that can quench your thirst like a nice homemade lemonade drink, sweet and cold, with top up of crushed ice or something. Yeah, so this is the aim for that. We have a lot of lemon trees and they are putting on nicely. They will be ripe in May, in June, around there. But these ones, because we are watering throughout, so they are actually out of season. So it's in December, end of December, January, but they are still here. I think they are yellowing up now. They are ripening up now. So yeah, these are our guavas. So you guys, here are my guava tree. I have got 2 mature trees now. They put out last year a really good size guavas, and we enjoyed it thoroughly. It's a big size guava. They say that guavas has got more vitamin C than the lemons, than the oranges even. As we know, it's great for flus and colds and inflammation and things like that, and it also aids in digestion, etc. Here we have a custard apple. I've got 2 custard apples. It's a new thing for me, but yeah, it's nice. I tasted it last year and it was quite nice. It's sweet and juicy. So let's go to my fig trees. My fig trees, as you can see, is already ripe. We are eating from it currently. We are in a time race here against the birds. But figs are incredible for gut health. They say for fiber and blood sugar balance. As I'm a diabetic, as well as my son, We just have, or we'll just reap good benefits from the figs. And it's a good thing because I grew up with figs and I love fig. You can make jams, dried figs, anything with fig really. Desserts, yeah. So here is our grapevine, but it seems that the passion fruit is encroaching on it and it's taken over. It's clearly won the race. So the passion fruits are in bloom now, and I'm not sad about that. I'm actually quite happy because I love passion fruit more than I do the grapevine, because the grapes, maybe we're doing something wrong with the pruning or watering, but it just does not seem to put on and things like that. Our aim for the back garden is also to plant as much or as many shade trees as possible, and we hope that the fruit trees will also, as they mature, will also help against providing shade and against the sun and the winds that are really strong sometimes in this area, as I'm situated in the on the foot of the hill. So yeah, it will provide good shade and food and everything else. Now you guys, please come with me to my favorite and peaceful corner. This is what I call my moon garden. It's just behind the bedroom. The mood here is, or what I want is to be calm and soothing, white and green as the base of the gentle pops of purple. I have tulips and purple heart flowers already, and a soft accent of black grass just for contrast. The space is designed for rest, reflection, and quiet evenings. Proof that gardens are not only for food but also for the soul, you guys. We need to sit and relax and reflect. Yeah, yeah, it's a thing, you guys. So it's that's why it was strategically located, or is behind my the stoop actually that is leading out to my from my main bedroom. So it has easy access. I can hide myself there and just relax there. Yeah, in this corner, I want to incorporate. I have a snake plant there, but in a agricultural palm. But I have a spider plant at the back because of its white and green at the moon garden. But I want to bring it here now because I want to incorporate the plants and take out the thorny succulents from here. Maybe like a jade will also work here. And I think I have the rosettes or the desert roses here. And I think maybe a zebra plant will also do better here, and maybe something like a panda plant. It's the same as a jade, but yeah, I also love those string pearls, but those are for hanging baskets. Yeah, but I want to incorporate softer succulents here. Yeah, I think it will work better here. This is my herb garden. Herb garden is known to be the natural medicine, so this is what I call my natural pharmacy. We have lemongrass for digestion and calming teas. We have mint for colds and flus and headaches. I've got the bitter aloe for cleansing, fennel for bloating and stomach, for stomach and health, and more. I truly believe that food is medicine, you guys. When you grow it yourself, you respect it differently, and yeah, that's like that. It just, for me, food is medicine, and that is my whole purpose and goal here. These are our hedges. They keep everything structured and separates the house from the animal kraal, as it wraps around the whole house, to give us that neatness and greenery throughout the year. We have already given it several trims, and yeah, we must just keep on top of it.
Look at me. Adidulu. Look here. Smile. Smile.
Hey dear, are you inspecting Oma's plants? Huh? Our grandbaby had some kind of a flu infection, and then straight after returning from the farm, or the parents had to take her to the hospital. She was admitted of acute pneumonia, but is discharged now. She's doing very well, and yeah, we just need to keep a watch on those little lungs. She loves being on the farm. She enjoys every moment of it, and we love having her on the farm. Our vegetable garden, or the field garden as we call it, is a space outside of our house where we have a larger garden space where we grow food and fodder for our animals. This time I planted corn, maize, oats, barley, not only for us also, but for the animals, to supplement with the animal feeds. Through self-sustainability, I think. Our vegetable section includes things like watermelon, sweet melon, spinach, squash, beetroot, cabbage, pumpkin, butternut, onions, and many more. Last year we had an excellent harvest, you guys. This year is a bit late. Most plants are only flowering now, but patience is part of gardening,
Tell
isn't
Papa.
it? Yeah.
What is doing?
Yeah, and we love that we could
Say
eat
something.
from our garden, and we can't wait for a second harvest this year.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Oh my goodness, he's singing the ABC.
A, B, C, D. Adi can dance little bit. Chal Adi. Let's do the move. Oh.
The plan in the future for the big garden is also to grow fruit trees, things like bitter lemon, oranges, plums, pawpaw, kumquat, and gooseberries. My husband actually ordered gooseberries, and yeah, we're expecting that. It's said that gooseberries are amazing. They are rich in vitamin C. It's great for immunity and skin health and digestion. Something definitely to watch out for. I'd like to see how it thrives here on the farm.
Day in, day out, it's Same road we're walking down, same job, same town. Cause we've been told that's the way our world goes round. Walking on the grounds we've always known, stepping on the footprints in the snow. But when it melts, the other ways will show. We're gonna make the footsteps on our own. Now life can wait just for a while. Now life can wait, so take that aside and just go on.
So nothing really goes to waste in the garden. This is how we use our moringa pots where the seeds are. We use it as a ground cover for our little plants. I have some red figs here and a cashew nut tree. This is our moringa tree. This is how it looks like. I harvested all the pots and the seeds that are inside. This is the tree of life moringa. Mommy is playing a doctor here.
No, I can't. No. Mom, mommy. What's that in my glass? That's it. Mama, my doctor is a water.
You are a doctor? My goodness, full doctor. This one.
Daddy. He won't tie me. Look at it.
You guys.
I can't.
Hermano was challenging, and the other one is just measure. She's just taking your blood pressure, no?
Check
How do you take Abba's blood pressure? Abba, you are maybe tired now. Hadia, no listening. Dr. Hadia, Dr. Imani, you guys. He's listening to the heart now. Oh, the heart is sitting in the tummy or what? My goodness, this doctor is very serious. This patient look really, really tired, no? You got him in a very tight grip. Arman challenged Papa that he was gonna escape and down. He's the escape artist.
Why don't challenge them?
Ugly people.
Who's the ugly?
You?
Hey!
I'm so beautiful.
The one that's going gray hair.
I'm so beautiful. With my grey hair. Oh.
Mama?
Yeah. Come to Oma. Come to Oma. You come to Oma. You want to listen to Oma's heart?
Dum 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 dum.
So we're heading back home, you guys. We had a wonderful time at the farm, so we have to go back to our normal, which is Ochivrango, to our city life. And yeah, see you in a bit. See you in the next video, you guys. Stay blessed and much love from us to your family. Bye. Welcome back to Rango. Well, Arman has been absent for a while on the channel, you guys. He's here now.
Voices in her head that mirror what she's heard before.
This is OTT, Ochiwarango.
All the things they said to hold her back, they never seem to leave her head and tend to keep her mind at war. All the things they said to hold her back, they keep her locked inside of all the times when she's been hurt before. Her eyes are swollen as she tries to hold